everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign up for Kik. Kik Messenger, commonly known as Kik, is an instant messaging mobile app from the Canadian company Kik Interactive. It is available on both Android and iOS. To sign up for Kik, go to your Play Store or your App Store and download Kik Messenger, and after the installation, tap on the app. Now, tap on Sign Up button. In this page, you'll need to fill out your information. To proceed further, you can set your photo by tapping on the photo icon and choose an existing picture from your gallery or even take a picture. Now type in your first name first and then your last name. Enter a username you'd like to use for this account. Check the availability of your username and proceed further. Type in your email address on the next row and then create a strong password for your account. Next, enter your birthday information and tap on the Done button. Enter your phone number and tap on the little box to agree to terms and policy of Kik. And finally, tap on the Sign Up button. You can find friends by tapping on the Find Friends button or skip this step for now. And with this simple step, you'll sign up for Kik Messenger. If you think the video was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. I'll be back again with more videos soon. Thank you for watching.